All right, in this part of the lesson, I'm going to be modeling for you guys how to find the central idea of a nonfiction text by section. When you are finding the central idea of a text, I want you to be thinking as you read, what does the author want me to learn about the topic? This is a way for us to read closer and figure out what the author is wanting to teach me in an informational text. In the article that I'm going to be modeling for you, the title is Search Speeds Up for Vaccine Against the New Coronavirus. I previewed this text with you earlier on in the lesson. So I can pull out the topic from the title. And so the topic of this particular article is the coronavirus vaccine. I want you guys to read along with you as I try to figure out the central idea. While I'm reading, I am thinking about what does the author want me to learn about the coronavirus vaccine. Let's go ahead and get started. A mysterious virus emerged in China in December 2019. Since then, it has spread around the world, infecting thousands of people. Viruses are tiny infectious particles. They are made of genetic materials surrounded by protein. Viruses make copies of themselves. They do this by injecting their genetic material into the cell of a living creature. Yikes. Serious new coronavirus. The new virus belongs to a group of viruses called coronaviruses. One type of coronavirus causes the common cold, but other coronaviruses cause more severe illnesses. Scientists named the new coronavirus SARS-CoV-2. It causes the disease COVID-19. The disease can lead to fevers, pneumonia, and other serious symptoms. Now, scientists are trying to find new ways to stop the virus from spreading. So what does the author want me to learn about the coronavirus vaccine? Well, in the last sentence of this section of the text, it states that scientists are trying to find a new way to stop the virus from spreading. So I think the author wants me to know that the coronavirus is serious and scientists are trying to find a way to stop it. So again, I hope you watched me and learned that when you're finding the central idea, you need to be thinking, what does the author want me to learn about the topic? After this video, you guys are going to practice this in 3 sections with an article titled Why Everything is Closing for Coronavirus. It's called Flattening the Curve. Again, you can find the topic within the title, and for this article, the topic is flattening the curve. Another meaning for flattening